Okay, today we're going to be installing the KLX300 skid plate with the UHMW overlay. We've added this on. It's 1/4 inch UHMW. It's non-abrasive, super slick. It'll eliminate any vibrations you get. Sometimes you get a lot of vibration on the aluminum skids. It extends out and covers the linkage back here as well. So a couple different features for that skid plate. I've gone ahead and removed the stock skid plate already. Really simple. It's just got 4 bolts that come right out. So we'll go ahead and pick up those mounts, and then we're going to clamp onto the frame here as well. So we'll go ahead and start with the upper right one here. So they just clamp onto the frame like that. So we'll go ahead and get that one started. Be a little difficult getting the first one started. You know, sometimes an extra set of hands is useful. And once you get that one started, you just want to kind of line up these 2 center holes. We can start that one loosely. We'll come in and get this other clamp started. I'll go ahead and start the back bolts as well. I'll just tighten the plate right down. We'll tighten the middle ones down. We'll take our T40 for the 8mm bolts into the clamps up here. You know, go ahead and tighten them down, make sure they're flush. We've had some concerns over those bolts not sitting flush. We've angled those slots to help with that. It just picks up the frame a lot better, but you can go ahead and use your impact driver to tighten them down. We'll go back and tighten these ones up as well. You know, you can use an extension and come in from these slots as well, or go behind it, whatever easiest on it. And there you go, it's covering the linkage here. Comes out and protects the frames where the skid plate's not really picking it up. It's kind of a nice feature, a good add-on. There you go, there's our new KLX300 skid plate with the UHMW overlay. Thanks for watching.